Hey, welcome back, my friends. Today, another quick, simple meal, egg bites. You can use the vegetables I have listed here or whatever you like, from broccoli to green onions to whatever. Baker's choice. Okay, now let's lay out everything I'm using here. A dozen eggs. I chopped up a bell pepper, an orange bell pepper, some spinach, breakfast sausage, and red onion. I love the maple breakfast sausage from Trader Joe's. It's chicken. Let's see, let's put in garlic powder. And next we're going to add some pepper. And all of your spinach and stuff, really finely chop it because you don't really want big chunks because these are basically the size of like half of a cupcake. So go ahead and mix up your eggs. There we go. Now we're going to add the cottage cheese. This is going to give you some more protein, and so if you eat one or two of these egg bites in the morning, it should keep you pretty full until almost lunchtime. Maybe have a little snack in between. And I don't measure. I'm just 2 scoops with a tablespoon or a soup spoon. Give that a good mix up right there. Okay, and next you're going to add your mix-ins. So like I said, I have Trader Joe's maple chicken breakfast sausage I chopped up. I put in an orange bell pepper. Gives it a little bit more flavor. The green ones I feel like are pretty flavorless. Then we'll go ahead and add in the onion. If you have a white onion, use that. If you have green onions, use green onions. If you don't like onions, don't use onions. And finally, some spinach. If you hear weird noise in the background, it's my dog. She sounds like a little piglet. It's Carabelle. You can find her on my channel too. Okay, stir everything really well. Look at that, it looks so good. Use coconut oil spray. If you're allergic to nuts, go ahead and use like olive oil spray or butter or whatever. Do not use canola oil or vegetable oil spray. It's so bad for you. So if you have it, throw it away. It's an easy fix to make your life healthier. Okay, I'm using a large cookie scoop to fill my muffin trays. And so, boom, put them in. Super easy, super fast. Okay, if you overfill it, just pull a little bit out and throw it in your bowl. Okay, and then you can do something really cool with your leftovers. Check out my next slide for a tip. Preheat your oven to 350, and I cooked my egg bites for 40 minutes. And you'll see I put them in the oven, I go to take them out, and they accidentally did this. Ah! I overfilled them. But look, I fixed it. Just take a spatula and peel the edges off. Looks perfect. Nobody can tell. Okay, and leave some out to eat. Freeze some, put them in an airtight container, and stick them in your freezer. Don't grab a donut in that morning when you're short on time. Have these quick, easy egg bites in your freezer, and boom, boom, yum. Thanks.